Yes, ready for dictation. Start. Counsel for the applicant seeks time to respond. Stop. Response be filed before the next date of hearing. Stop. List on 30th November 2007. Stop. According to the petitioner, the order dated 18th October 1997, which has been reproduced in the above order dated 19th November 2007 of this court in the Blue Line case, has not yet been notified in the official gazette. Stop. It is contended that the said notification is not in accordance with Section 28 of the Delhi Police Act 1978 within bracket Act, that it has been issued without the previous sanction of the administrator and is therefore unsustainable in law. Stop. Without prejudice to these contentions, it is averred that in the roads of Delhi no such speed limit for call center cabs has been fixed, and that commercial cars, jeeps, etc. have not been treated as transport vehicles for the purpose of fixing speed limits. Stop passage. The further contention is that since call center cabs are not light commercial vehicles, they are not covered by the said notification. Stop. It is stated that as per notification SO 436 within bracket 1 dated 12th June 1989 issued under section 41 within bracket 4 of the Motor Vehicles Act 1988, the central government has specified the types of motor vehicles, and as per the said notification, while every four-wheeler goods carriage is a light motor vehicle, every LCV is not a light goods vehicle. Stop. Further, the central government had exercised its power under section 112 within bracket 1 of MV Act and issued a notification stipulating the maximum speed limit in public places at 65 km per hour, which was higher than 40 km per hour fixed by the Delhi Traffic Police by the notification dated 18th October 1997. Stop. It is stated that while the members of the Petitioner Association are willing to take all steps for a reduction of accidents, it is not feasible to curtail the maximum speed limit of a car to 40 km per hour on a highway. Stop. Therefore, the fixing of the aforementioned speed limit was arbitrary and unreasonable, apart from the inconsistent with the MV Act. Stop. The present writ petition was filed on 27th November 2007 and notice was directed to issue on 29th November 2007. Stop. Thereafter, on 25th January 2008, the Deputy Commissioner of Police within bracket Traffic Delhi issued another notification under Regulation 9 within bracket 1 of the regulations fixing the maximum speed limit for all transport vehicles including TSRs at 40 km per hour and for cars, jeep, two-wheelers, etc. at 60 km per hour in inter alia on all national highways beyond Outer Ring Road, Gurugram Road beyond Mathura Road. Stop. It was stated therein that this notification would supersede the previous notification. Stop. Over.